it was gonna be a couple of people, dude. Garrett said 500 horsepower to 1,000. I know GTR already makes, I think 600, 650. That thing's very consistent. They always scare me. That kind of vehicle always scares me.
It's got a fender dump.
Maybe high 130s to high 140s. On these Mustangs, you absolutely never know.
Good Lord.
Yeah, if you came with a trailer here, you're a little bit more serious in our program.
Right here.
You're gonna break today.
Oh, brake?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing.
No, we're all good.
Confidence. I like
Confidence.
it.
What
What are you gonna be first?
Yeah, well, first I'm gonna clear Garrett out.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Both the truck, the Corvette, then this GTR. Single cab is scary.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure.
Unpredictable units.
Definitely.
You know.
So if I didn't have a helmet on, you guys would see a shift face that everyone would screen grab.
Is it partial because of the collarbone, or is it partial?
Full blame on the collarbone.
Okay. All right.
It has nothing to do with the collarbone.
See that single cab, that blue?
I know that pulled out. I said that guy's at $9.99.
Hellcat powered.
You know what?
Yeah.
You guys just want to head out and grab some lunch?
Your shoe look like a rental. Look like you cut it off with the dog. No, I say put them into the freezer. Don't call me back. I'm busy.
For a stick car, Garrett was doing pretty solid in the left lane, so I tried the left
I might
lane.
take the left, and the right has a bunch of water in it. There's no water in the left lane, so I'm gonna do that. Because I don't think I'm gonna burn out and then have you guys push me back, because that's just embarrassing.
Chris got the win. Let's go. Let's go. Not too shabby. Infinity. Look at that.
I think I probably went like 125, maybe 130. Felt awesome. Coop put up a fight, dude. That thing's sick for, honestly, his stock car, his everyday driver. That thing is really cool. I'm glad this thing held up. Having fun. Run it back. I was hoping for 130. I guess we went 131.
What did I run?
126.
All right.
Not bad.
Not bad
For his stock car that I
had AC seats on the way back.
This is
So.
sick.
Oh my God.
Yeah, drill a hole in the gate. Booster boys are here. Where are they?
All right, so we're gonna run this single cab right now. I love this truck. 4L80, 6 liter, 30 over, S480, so slightly bigger turbo, 14 pounds, basically mimic setup of what I have. I think I got him on the weight. Yeah, it is a truck though, so we'll see how it goes. Like an idiot. What was that? Yeah, not happening.
Dang. GTR won, but Chris had the mile an hour, I think. Not too shabby.
We were side by side a lot of that. That was awesome, dude. That was the closest race of today. So that's a bolt-on ethanol R35 GTR. This is where that is at a baseline. If you guys know those cars are awesome on the street. So to know that we're at that level right now, with really just low boost and no boost control at all, that's fucking sick. Hell yeah. What are we looking at? 132, best of the day.
Not bad. Fast. You got him on the top end.
I know, that's the thing. The 2.3 is such a slow shift. I'm super pleased with today, dude. We have a car with no boost control on gate, running baby boost. I'm pretty stoked, dude.
You gotta throw all the springs back in it.
All the springs, let's go for 400 pounds of boost. No, but even with the CO2 control, we'll be able to dial it up just off rip. But I'm happy with that. So we're basically baselining with a bolt-on ethanol GTR with kind of mile an hour and where we're at, I think that's pretty cool, dude.
It's pretty saucy.
It's pretty sick, because if you guys know that car on the street, that's like a fast car. That is like taking out half the field on the street for any type of street racing. Yeah, I'm definitely pleased with today. All right, guys, so that does it for roll racing today. First time roll racing at Bradenton Motorsports Park. And honestly, the G did super well. I wasn't thinking it was gonna mess up, but we were right on par with a couple of cars here, making the races super fun. Shout out to Garrett for putting this together. Definitely more confidence now to hit street heat and other roll racing events, because we fit right in the middle of one of the classes for roll racing. So once we get the boost control situation figured out, we'll be back ripping. But this is what it's all about. Super hyped on this. Shout out to Jeff for all the work he's done. Shout out to Andrew for coming out and filming. And we'll see you guys on the next one.